Hi, it's Eric from VictorEric Design+Build. Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we show you behind the scenes of the projects that we do, showing you exactly what we do for custom homes design build. Today I want to bring you to another behind the scenes tour with our first Shaughnessy character home restoration, and we're going to talk about interior finishing today. Yes, I brought you behind the scenes before in this renovation, and it's a major renovation, but today what we're going to do is meeting with the carpenter and looking at all the finishing details inside. It is a character home, there's a lot of details, and it just comes standard. It's one of our process when we do design build to make sure that we coordinate well with the trades and our contracting team, our site people, to make sure all of the details are done. So that's what today's about. We brought you behind the scenes in this project before, but today what we're going to do is meet with the finishing carpenter, go through all of the crowns and moldings and coordinate all of the wall panel details. This is just a very important step in our standard process of design build. We want to make sure that our design vision is carried through, talk with the trades, coordinate with them, work out all of the details, and it's just something we do as part of our design build process. So yeah, let's go check it out. First of all, Darcy, let's put it by the drop. I want to make sure it works on the drop first, because if not, we have to drop more or change the crown. Okay, that's perfect. So that works. Now then you have this frame, so there's just a small gap between, right? You said?
No.
The problem.
You could do it like that.
No, because the problem is that when you come around, it doesn't work. You'd be jogging around this casing, which I don't want. Yeah, I don't want that. That's what I'm thinking. So this guy is going around, right? The problem is that's not low enough. It has to match that.
Yeah.
So when that casing runs around, but there's paneling here. So he can put paneling on the face of drywall, and then when it gets to the top, he puts it on the face of MDF. So you've got that, you have a panel that wants to go up. Actually, this is much shorter than what's drawn, is that correct? Yeah. What's happening here? Elevation says that these two has to match. Yeah, so we're gonna bring that down because of that thing. Okay. Bring it down, and then whatever that door is, that needs to align, because you're gonna case that. It's gonna go up. So that's where your crown is, basically. We'd have to identify this as one area, which actually is not too bad because you kind of have the two panel there. I'm thinking I might even stop the paneling at this and not carry it through. Yeah. If we stop it here because we have this beam here, then we don't worry about that paneling at all. And on this side, we have this beam here, so then we can stop it right there. This one definitely needs to move over by a little, maybe about 2 inches, and then it'll be centered on that panel. Here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna raise that window up to match the casing. That's the big medium casing, small casing, but the top of the casing is all aligned. We'll remove this and we'll use their jamb against their jamb, secure it, and then just do a flat sock here. The big casing, well, the actual casing will go from the outside all the way over and then down here. So I hope that gives you a glimpse into what we do here on site, especially for custom homes or major character renovations like this. There's a lot of details to coordinate when you get into traditional panels, crowns, moldings, all of that stuff. There needs to be a lot of supervision and oversight. And you know, with renovations, there's always things that come up as a surprise. Beams that we can't move, pipe drops that we have to deal with. And that's why having a design team support you during construction is so important. And that's what we do best here at VictorEric Design+Build, because we love creating amazing spaces. If you've got a major renovation or a character home restoration, give us a call and I'm sure we can help.